You know, it's crazy to me how, like, I can't stop smiling. I never thought this would happen to me, you know? You know, never lose hope, I guess is what I have to say, because there's a palette out there for everyone. Oh my gosh, okay, I can't do that, never mind, just kidding. Hey guys, what is up? It is your homegirl, Cindy Teasley, and we are here today to... Okay, wait, one sec. Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl, Cindy Teasley, and we are here today for me to show you my new palette. Holla! Okay, so I saw this palette on the front of the Ulta beauty catalog, and I was looking at it and I was like,
dang, if I were rich, I would snatch that so fast.
But I'm not. I work at Urban Outfitters, and they, come to find out, sell Anastasia Beverly Hills now. So I didn't explain this, but this is significant that they sell it there because then that means I can get a discount on it if I buy it from Urban instead of paying full price for it, which I would have had to do if I had got it from Ulta. And I knew they had the Modern Renaissance palette, so I was like gonna get that, but I was just like, I'm not that like excited about it. But then I looked one day and they had the brand new Norvina palette, and I was like,
thank you, this is all my good karma coming through. All my blessings are being rained down upon me. Thank you, Jesus. I don't know what to say.
You best believe I purchased that thing, and it came in the mail the other day, and I was so excited, and I hadn't used it yet until today for filming this video because I wanted my first time using it to be with you guys, with all my 50-something loyal fans and subscribers. If you like the look that I am currently wearing, then keep watching. If you do like it. Okay, so first of all, I'm just gonna prime my lids. I'm using the same primer I always use, Benefit Professional. And don't forget to do like your inner corner and like brow bone and a little bit under the eye also, because we put eyeshadow there. Alright, so now it's time to break out the magic. Look at those colors. Gosh, I'm so excited. I have been like waiting to just like dive into this for so long. I've heard this brush is actually like pretty useful too, so I will be using this little brush. It's double-sided, so I'm guessing this is what you use to like apply it, and then this is a little blending action right there. Okay, where to even begin? Okay, first I'm gonna go in with maybe base, because you would think that's a good base. Okay, well, there we go. I'm gonna go in with Incense because that looks like a nice transition shade there. I'm going to use the brush they gave me. Just get a little because, you know, she's pigmented. I'm gonna go ahead and flip that around and just blend that transition shade. I'm gonna grab Volatile.
So I looked it up, and apparently it's just volatile. So neither of my options were correct, and I'm an idiot.
Thanks, high school education.
Actually, I think I'm gonna go in with Eccentric first. That's one right there, because I'm just really curious to see how what that's gonna look like. Alright, that's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with that shade I said we were gonna go into, the like Volatile. I'll look up how to pronounce that.
Oh, in the club tonight, I want you to put your hands in the air if the American education system failed you. Hey!
I'm gonna use a smaller brush for that. Just a little thin one like that. I'm gonna really focus on putting that on the outer corner. You know the drill. Okay, these all seem to blend like very nicely. I am here for blendable eyeshadows. I really like that. You can really build that up too, like as dramatic as you want to get with it, you know? I'm a bit of a drama queen myself. Holds the brush near like the end, that way you have less control, that way it's more just like blendy, I don't know, I'm sorry. I kind of want to do purple maybe. I am debating between if I want to do Celestial or Drama, okay, because Celestial is like the light purple and Drama is like the dark purple. Maybe I'll do Celestial on the top and Drama on the bottom. Okay, we'll try it out. We'll go crazy. I think I'm gonna go with this brush right here. It's pretty flat. Get some Celestial up in this.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
So it looks like you need to get into the shimmer a little more than you need to get into the matte shades, because the matte shades you like tap it and it just like exploded.
Look!
Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm like my 6-year-old Cindy dreams are just coming true. I'm so living for this shade. I'm really gonna build this up, fam. I am feeling sparkly today. Oh, yes, yes. I'm just like cheering myself on. I actually like this really flat brush because it makes it really easy to kind of cut the crease. This is gonna look so good when we're done. This was such a good purchase. Good job, Cindy. When you do your lid color, you want to take it from kind of like the very inner center part of your eye and bring it to like the center. You don't want to bring it all the way to the outer corner. This makes me want to be like a mermaid princess fairy thing for Halloween. Okay, I am noticing a little tiny bit of fallout from Celestial, so I'm just gonna take the biggest fluffy brush I have and just try to swipe that away. This could definitely double as like a highlight though. Okay, do I want to go in with the Drama still? No, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of Drama from kind of the middle a little bit to the outer corner, just like a teeny tiny bit, just because I want to see what that's gonna look like. I'm just gonna try to blend that all out. Alright, now we're looking cute. What do I want to do for my lower lash line? I think I'm gonna pull a Jeffree Star and use this blue Soul for my lower lash line because I saw him use that and he seemed to really like that, and I'm just like really curious how that's gonna look on me. So I'm just using, again, a really skinny brush. I don't even know what kind of vibes I'm getting. I'm just like ready to go to a rave or something, I think. I'm just living, honestly. This is what life's all about, you know? I'm not gonna bring that all the way into the inner corner of my lower lash line because it could just like make your eyes look a little smaller. Yeah, I'm really living for this so far. I'm just slaying the game. Like, I don't want to sound like I'm super into myself, but like, I'm sexy. I'm so excited. What am I gonna do next? Okay, I'm gonna go in with the shade Wild Child just because we're feeling wild. I mean, I am a wild child. Using a pencil brush, I'm gonna just put this on in my inner corner. Okay, this is like pixie dust. Because I'm really extra and I just really want the Celestial to just pop, I'm gonna actually spray that flat brush as same as before and go in again.
Okay, so apparently my other camera just stopped recording, so now we had to switch cameras again because it wouldn't be a Cindy Teasley makeup tutorial or YouTube video without having some intense technical difficulties. I'm gonna go in with Dreamer, that shimmery light cream shade right there. I'm just gonna put that on my brow bone. So I'm just using a teeny tiny brush like that. Okay. Note to self. To go in very lightly on that shade. I just like honey. Do you see that? I'm already ruining it. Okay, I'm just gonna go in on my brow bone. I like that. It's pretty subtle. Okay, this camera just doesn't do it justice. You see a little sparkly sparkle? So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some mascara, lashes, kind of finish up the rest of my look, and then I'll show you how we're looking when I'm done. So, see you in a sec.
I finished the rest of the look. I put my hair in a high ponytail because, I don't know, I just feel extra sassy with my hair in a high ponytail. That way I can just like whip it, you know?
What you said, she ain't no diva.
I had some lashes, I did my face, I got all snatched. I changed my shirt because I didn't like the way the red looked with all the colors on my eyes. Okay, so my overall thoughts and impressions. I've never felt this way about a palette before, you know? I don't know what it is. It's like, you know, you never believe in love at first sight until it happens to you. I don't want to be dramatic. I don't want to be that girl. I don't even know if this is love. I don't know. It's just like, when I look at this palette, I feel something. I don't know, I haven't felt anything like this about another palette before. You know, I never thought like I'd be that girl who's like in love or whatever, but like, I don't know, I see Norvina and I am, you know? But like for real, it's so blendable. The colors are just beautiful. There was a little fallout, but you know, that's to be expected. For some of the shimmer shades like Celestial, it seemed like, felt like I had to really build it up and cake it on there to get the desired look. But overall, I would definitely recommend this palette. Honestly, I'm just in love, you know? It feels good. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your relatives, share it. Support me. I'm struggling out here. Just a girl trying to make it, you know. Let me know how you like this look. Let me know if you think it's cute. Let me know if you hate it. Leave a hate comment. Okay, bye, peace, love, happiness, stay in school, don't do drugs. Okay, cool, bye. Love you.